Hello students, today we have to move, almost it is the last part in the lesson, banking transaction. Till to yesterday we discussed about the two types of account, saving bank account and the current account. Today we have to know about the futures of recurring deposit account. Recurring deposit account. Deposit account. Yes, let us know the futures of recurring deposit account. This recurring deposit account, it is open to save the money for the future, okay, for the future purpose, I mean for the marriage purpose or for education purpose, higher education. So like that, the money has saved actually, and after the period of interval of time, I mean I told you already in the previous class only, I mean after 5 years the money, okay, total amount is repaid. The total amount how much is paid, that is repaid with the interest. That is the recurring deposit account. Okay, recurring deposit account, it is open to save the money for the future purpose like marriage or the higher education or anyone, okay. And also after that period of interval of time, I mean if they are keeping for 5 years, their money can repay with the interest, and also after 10 years also, however they can take, there is no certain period. This is about the recurring deposit account. The next is term deposit account. Term deposit account. The next one is term deposit account. Is term deposit account. So this is open for the fixed period, they has deposit the money, I mean for 5 years like that. There will be the fixed period, there is no change in the period actually. The money cannot withdrawn before the date of expiry of that fixed period, okay. 5 years in the sense, after 5 years only they can withdraw the money, before that never the money cannot withdraw. So and here also the money is almost, they will get the double of the money with interest. That is called as the term deposit account, okay. Term deposit account, it is open for the fixed period to deposit the money. The money can withdraw at any withdraw without before the expiry of the period, and here also the money they can get back with their deposit money with the interest, okay. And nowadays the saving bank account holders has increased, because why the saving bank account holders has increased, I told you already. Saving bank can open by the common man, common people, okay. And it has provided the many facility, that saving bank account, through that they can get the many facility like pensions or the interest, more interest they also can get, and their money should be safe, okay. For whom? For the students, for the senior citizens or the pensionaries. And also it has provided the loan facility also, if the saving bank account is there. So that's why the nowadays saving bank account, it will holders will be increased more. Yes, let us know next what are the procedures we have to follow to open the bank account. Procedures to follow to open bank account, okay. Open bank account. EC means account, okay. So which are the procedures we follow to open the bank account? First one, we have to decide the type of account, which one you want to open. Type of account in the sense whether we want to open a saving bank account, a current account, or RD, recurring deposit account, or term deposit account. So like that we have to decide the type of account which you want to open. And next one is approach the bank with your choice and meet it up in office, okay. Approach the bank, so with your choice, I mean we want to open like saving bank account or current account, like that. Approach the bank. And the next, so they will give one application form, fill that application form, or that is also called as the proposal form, to open the bank account. Fill that proposal form or application form. Next, okay, give that a reference for opening your account, who are already having an account in that bank, so want to give that reference or that identity. So that is the giving reference, okay. reference why it should we want to give yes person that person identity it is for the identity sake we want to give. Next, submit that duly filled bank account form to the officer. The officer will if verify that okay officers want to submit those documents. The officer will verify that all those documents and after that what initial deposit to be made. Okay, initial deposit like 1000 or 2000 like that initial deposit to be made, then the account will be open. Nowadays we want to provide the PAN card also along with it, then the ID cards I mean driving license or the ration card like that we want to provide to open the account. So these are the procedures to open the bank account. Okay, once again I will repeat you. So first you have to decide the one very important question also most repeated, this is mention the to decide the type of account which you want to open, then approach the bank with your choice. Actually they will provide you on the application form or it's also called as a proposal form. So fill that proposal form or the application form and give reference in the sense ID cards, identity who are already have the account in that bank. That person has to give one declaration as this account holder as know by me, like that reference. And so we have to what officers will verify all those documents and also the application form, then initial deposit to be moved. Along with that we want to provide, nowadays they are asking you to provide the PAN code and ration card like that. So we want to provide that. These are the procedure to open the bank account. Okay, next, what are the advantages of opening of bank account? Why we want to open the bank account? Okay, what are the advantages of opening bank account? So bank account helps to making a payments. We can make the payments very easily nowadays. We can make a e-payment also, phone pay or Google Pay like that. Okay, we can make the payment easily. And bank account helps in collection of money. We can save our money, we can collect the money, and bank account holders can get the advance and the loans. I told you already, if the account is there, the bank will provide you the loans. And bank account helps in the smooth financial transaction. Then bank account holders can get the safe deposit lockers also. Okay, they can get the safe deposit tracker, smooth financial transaction we can do that. And also the smooth financial transactions in the sense we can withdraw or deposit the money through the net banking or through the ATM or debit card or credit card. Many facilities are there nowadays. Okay, and also the bank account holders can get the loans also. Then we can make the payments. So these are all the advantages of what opening the bank account. Okay, almost the lesson has completed. So in the next class we have to move for the next lesson. Okay, till that keep learning. Thank you all.